Hi guys, my name is Garima and I am from here, from Shivalik Nagar, Shivlok Colony. I am sorry. I'm prepared. I'm not prepared right now. Seriously, I'm not prepared. But I want to do my best. So, as you know, we all go out where we are working. We are somewhere working or somewhere not. Like girls, are you working also? I think you are working too. No, okay. The boys are also working right now. Matlab, you all working. The temperature was too high, so that's why my product is sunscreen. You know sunscreen. You also has to use that sunscreen because it has UAV or UVB raises. That's why that product helps you to not to save your skin from overheating. That's why the sunscreen is used for that. There are two type of sunscreen, like SPF 30 and SPF 50, and the third type is SPF 50 plus 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 plus. You know, like girls also know that because we use daily basis on daily basis. So that's why the sunscreen, there are two types of sunscreen. The SPF 30 30, it has the power to a little bit, not 100%. It is not the best quality. It's not save us from overheating. The SPF 50 plus 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 is all the best quality sunscreen, and also it saves us from overheating, over sunlighting. We don't need to cover our face like that. SPF 50 plus plus plus. Or also it is good for anti-aging. We also has to use inside the house and outside the house, you know, because it is the point is anti-aging property. So that's why my product is sunscreen. Or like, you know, lactocalamine.
No, we don't know.
एक second, give me a second. Lactocalamine, I'm sorry, I don't
No problem.
take that. I'm sorry, I was in a hurry. Lactocalamine, yeah, this is the one. It's only 199 rupees. The most not expensive, the most reasonable price, the 199. The girl can use easily. It has 50 plus 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 property. It has so many qualities. I think this is the best. Whatever you can ask, the question you can ask, I will
Okay.
reply.
Chalo, go for questions, guys.
Please ask some questions. Yeah.
What's the package size?
Package size 50 grams. Itna. 50 ml. Yeah. For 199. There is a combo price, like one face wash, and that sunscreen was free with face wash. So you can buy that also.
What's the price of that face wash?
The face wash is 199. Yeah, 199. I told na right now 199. If you want to buy the sunscreen only, the price is also 199. If you want to buy face wash, this is also 199. But the sunscreen is free with that product. Like, but the sunscreen size was tiny. That with the face wash. Any other question?
How is your sunscreen better than other companies' product?
Because we are given 50 plus plus plus. Nobody is given 50 plus 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 in rupees 199. That's why our product is best product. You want to buy? You have. Which one?
I have Dot and Key.
Dot and Key, yeah. But we have the best product. Anyone?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of 50 plus 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 plus?
50 plus 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 is a No, this is the no. It's like a मतलब it 50 plus means we will the product will make 98 to 99% save you the UV rays, save you from the UV rays. Now you understand?
Okay.
The or the 30% SPF 30 will save only 50% your skin from the UV rays.
Chalo.
Now
Okay,
you
chalo.
understand?
Clap for Garima.
Good evening everyone. I am Kamal Bhatt. I am from Haridwar. I am here you to sell my product regarding your skin, your dermal skin. So did you hear about transdermal patches? If anyone hear about in this room? Yes, exactly. I want to tell you that transdermal patch in science, a skin is divided into three. Firstly is dermal, and then second is epidermis, and third is below the dermis layer. So when the product is, if you in terms of transdermal patches, I will tell you, if you place this product over there on your shoulder, the product works as like a drug, because in this transdermal patch we have placed a drug. So this drug, when we prepare this transdermal patch, the reason behind is that some people forget their daily doses, because doses are sometimes 2 to 3 times a day. You will usually use it. Especially for children who have the palates issue regarding their taste, because the small kids and the infants and children we did not like the taste of medicine. We place the drug over in this patch. Patch is like just like you heard about bandage, like a bandage. So you place the transdermal patches over there, and due to because of their drug placed in it, they placed you the significant relief over the extended time of periods. Over the extended time means 8 to 12 hours. Drug have not significant time, because the drug work only 6 to 8 hours, and after that you will take next dose of your day. But in patches, if you place one time in a day on your respected area, so they transdermal patch work over the extended period of time. So this is the basically a transdermal patch. So next is that future of transdermal patches in our India, because transdermal patches is a painless medicament system. They will provide you a significant relief without any taste developing in your mouth. You can not, if you not be able to take drug by buccal cavity or your oral cavity, so you should place the patches over there. So this is the main advantage of this product, and the similar product is available in market over 700 plus rupees with a pack of 5 patches. But our product is introduced in market in the price range of 450 rupees with the pack size of 5 patches. So each pack have 90 rupees. So this is an exciting offer for you, that you can take this advantage of this new medicament system. If you seen before this, but due to high pricing you will not able to buy this. But if my product I will sell to you within low price of 450 rupees, you should buy this. This is my not saying a request, but this is an advantage to you. This is an advantage to you. So and after that, lot of company is manufacturing these type of products, but their manufacturing cost and their marketing cost is so high for this product. And nature of this product is very good. They do not these products do not give you any type of anxiety, any rashes over your skin, and if you forget the dose, this is not unworry about that. If you forget, because if you placed a patch in a day, so you will feel relaxed and forget about that your daily doses. So this is a big advantage for this type of product. So if you have any interest in this product, so tell me and ask to me if you have any queries regarding this product. Please ask, don't hesitate.
So what's the basic time period in which we will get the result?
Basic time, in 2.5 hours, the drug show their maximum levels of their therapeutic dose. But in 10 to 15 minutes, dose you feel better. If you place the patch over your skin, you feel better in 10 to 15 minutes. And after 1 hour and 1 to 2 hours, their plasma level, the drug plasma level in your blood reaches at their maximum, and you feel very relaxed. What the issue is going, what the deficiency is in your body. Yes, this patch is sweat proof because they have in this patch a polyfilm is placed over it. The sweat is not penetrate in your patches due to your sweat. This patch is not wet by your sweat. So this is an advantage for you that you can buy this on cheaper prices and very reasonable price. So if you want to take that, so you will contact to me.
Okay, very good. Clap for sir.
Good evening all. Today I am here to present a product. Everyone faces a problem in daily life. Whenever they want to communicate with others on phone or anything, they want to keep something personal, or they want to keep something personal. So I am here to present my product, which is a wireless headset. Basically it provides features like noise isolation, water resistivity, and many other features. To that features I would like to add it provides up to 8 hours of charging, and plus seamless connectivity, which you can use hassle free anywhere while walking, or you can go on evening walk. You can enjoy your mashups and all while wearing that headset. So my product is that, and basically I will be asking for 1200 price for my product. If anyone is interested, so can you please ask anything about my product or whatever you feel like.
But where is your product, dude?
Sir, I didn't have product, but I have explained, I have to bring my product also
Yeah.
to display.
Yes.
Okay, from
That's
next
what
time
I told
onwards-
you, huh?
Okay. From next time onwards, I will bring.
Okay, take this. Now explain about this.
Yeah, so basically this you can use like this while going anywhere and while walking, or having while talking also on phone. There are variety of combination available for this particular product. As everyone knows that this electronic devices have become part and parcel of our life. So this will be useful for you only, and so anyone who is interested can, yes.
There are so many products in the market, so why do we buy yours?
Basically we are providing you with the features like 8 hours of charging, and seamless connectivity, and there are many combinations available for this particular product. You can have of your own choice, so you can buy that our product for you. It feels like no one is interested in my product.
I think the amount is quite high. That's why.
Okay, we can negotiate. What's your demand? Like how
Below
much?
below 1,000. Below 1,000.
Below 1,000. Can you tell me the range? Like what? Like 800, 900. What's your amount?
Below 1,000.
Below 1,000. So we can come on like 900. 900 is my final price, which I can give you. So are you interested on that product? Warranty time, it depends. We are having like different warranty criteria. Like you can have 1 year, 2 year, depending on whatever warranty you select. We are giving options to you that you can have 1 year warranty, 2 year warranty, and yeah, I told you in my earlier statement that it is water resistant. Out of 5, it's 4.8, 4.7.
So after my question, you reduce 300 rupees.
Yes.
So it will be your loss. How will you manage it?
I am businessman, so I know how much amount I am spending on my product. So that's why I came to negotiation. Otherwise, I would haven't come to a negotiation. That's all I feel like.
Okay, chalo, clap for him.
So good evening guys, my name is Yash Gupta and today I am going to present you something amazing that would help you in your daily life, that would beat the heat outside. So the temperature is, as you all know, the temperature is going too high. So you all will be facing the problem of like sweatiness and smelling sweaty, feeling uncomfortable the whole the day. So to solve this problem, I have an amazing product called Whitestone powder. So it will solve your problem, like it will make you feel cool, dry, feel you make comfortable, and like it will make you smell great all the day. And if you try it once, you would like feel that you will not leave your home without it, just for ₹10. So the product is this. It comes with an handy packaging with a like premium packaging, affordable price, and it would be easy to carry in your bags and purse. It comes with a like cap with a.
Good evening everyone, my name is Chavi Unyal and I am here to advertise my product. And the main problem is when you write, the main problem of common pen is their ink leaks very easily, and their ink mess your hands and paper also. And some pen have hard grip which is hard to hold. That's why DOMS bring you Inkzone pen which is very smooth in writing, and you can easily write with this pen, and it have rubber grip which is easy to hold, and it is smudge free also. So when you write you can write easily with this, and the ink doesn't spread in your hand and paper. This is very good, so you can buy this product. And if you are a student, professional, or a common person who likes to write, you can buy this. So your words, your every words flow with this. Every word flows with ease, and all this comfort, that this is smudge free and comfort, easy to hold with rubber grip. So all this comfort come in only just 10 rupees. I think you should buy this product and use this. Thank you.
Very nice. Clap for Chavi. Go there, Chavi. Chavi, sell your product now. At least wait for their response. Do they want to buy your product or not?
Oh, okay.
Be there, huh?
Is this a ball pen or gel pen?
This is ball pen.
Gel pen?
Ball pen.
Ball pen.
Ball pen.
Ball pen, it's the less.
Anyone who have any question, doubt. Because the common pen ink leaks easily. This is smudge proof. It doesn't spread in your, it doesn't mess your paper or hand. So that's why this is best.
Did you guys prepare your presentation together? Akarti and you?
No.
No? Using the same words, same lines, huh? Okay. Okay, chat GPT response is almost similar, huh? Okay. Okay, Chavi, very good. Clap for Miss Chavi, guys. Very nice, Chavi. It was the best performance